welcome back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can enable camera on Instagram. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Instagram app. It's an app where you can connect with friends, share what you're up to, or see what's new from others all over the world. Now open up settings on your phone. After you open up settings, scroll all the way down and there you'll see all the apps that are on your device. Search for Instagram and tap on it. Here you'll see various options like location, photos, microphone, camera, Siri and search, notifications. To allow Instagram to access your camera, turn on the camera option. After you have turned on your camera option, this way you'll be able to enable camera on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.